Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about self-care. I'm going to be showing you a very simple, easy technique to do your own facials at home with ingredients that you already have at home and in the kitchen, so you don't have to spend a dime. And this is simple and super basic. I kept it universal so any skin type can use it. Whether you have sensitive, dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, you can use this and the results are amazing. So if you're ready, let's begin. First things first, make sure you're wearing something old because you'll be using face packs on your face. So if it falls on your t-shirt or your pajamas, you shouldn't mind if it is soiled. And second, wear something comfortable because this whole process should make you feel relaxed. Tie your hair back so it doesn't interfere with your facials and remove any jewelry that you might have. Let's start with cleansing the face. Make sure you have removed all your makeup if you have any, and then using a mild cleanser, wash your face. I'm using my favorite For Your brush. This is what I use on a daily basis. If you don't have a brush, no problem. Use your hands and make sure you massage the cleanser in at least for 90 seconds before you rinse it off. To remove the dry and dead cells and skin that's sitting on the top layer, I'm going to be exfoliating my face and neck. The exfoliating cream that I've made is a combination of oatmeal and yogurt. Here's what else you can use as an exfoliator depending on your skin type. All skin types, including sensitive skin, can mix half a teaspoon of oatmeal with 1 teaspoon of yogurt and use that as a mild exfoliator. If you have dry skin, you can mix a teaspoon of sugar with half a teaspoon of honey. If you have oily skin, take half a teaspoon of baking soda to absorb the oil and mix it with your favorite cleanser and massage it on your face. And if you have combination skin where you have oily skin in your T-zone and dry skin everywhere else, you can take half a teaspoon of oatmeal and a quarter piece of banana, mash it up, mix it together and use that as an exfoliator. Massage your face and neck gently in circular motions to remove all of that dry skin. I recommend using this facial routine not more than twice a week. While we exfoliate our face and neck, it's also important to exfoliate your chapped lips. I'm just taking a wet brush here, just wet it with water and lightly brush over your lips like you're brushing your teeth to remove all of that dead cells and dead skin. While it's exfoliating, it also promotes blood flow into your lips, so it'll bring back some of that natural pink to your lips. And then rinse it off with water. You don't need any soap, just rinse it off. And it's time for a face pack. And the one that I swear by for every skin type, this you can't go wrong with this, is our traditional Upton. To make this mask, you'll need a tablespoon of chickpea flour or besan, half a teaspoon of regular turmeric. I've linked where I get my turmeric from in the description box right below this video. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of regular plain yogurt. I'm using full fat yogurt because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, you can also use fat-free or 2% yogurt. To mix, I'm using a wooden spoon because it doesn't react with the mask. All these ingredients are usually easily available in the kitchen. If it's not, then you can find it online. All the links are in the description box below. Or if you prefer to go and buy it in person, you can buy it from any Indian grocery store. After thoroughly mixing, the pack should look like this. It should not fall off the spoon very easily. It should almost have the consistency of a toothpaste. To apply it, I've kept aside this flat foundation brush. This is from Coastal Scents, but you don't need a brush. You can apply it with your fingers. The basin in the face pack helps to brighten and tighten your face. It helps to get rid of your acne as well as fades already existing acne scars. It's actually the zinc in the basin that has shown to fight the infections that cause your face to erupt with acne and hence cause acne scars. And we all know about turmeric. It's a natural medicine. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It's an antioxidant, helps to heal wounds, prevent breakouts, and if you have eczema, you can apply it on your eczema to get rid of it. It reduces acne scarring again. It brings out your natural glow, which all of us have within, but over time, because of exposure to sun and all the chemicals that we use, we kind of lose a little bit of that. So turmeric helps to bring that back. and it also helps to reduce some of that hair growth on the face. The yogurt in the face mask helps to cool the face down. It naturally helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So it has anti-aging properties, and the lactic acid in your yogurt helps to dissolve some of that dead skin and tighten your pores. To fully benefit from the mask, you have to open up the pores on your face and help your skin absorb this mask. And to open up the pores, you have to steam your face. I do it the old-fashioned way. While I have the mask on my face, I boil some water on the stove and then I transfer it into a larger vessel or a bowl. That's easier for me to keep in front of me for the steaming process. As you can see, the face mask has started to dry. This is the best time to steam. I'm placing the vessel in front of me and I'm going to cover my head with a towel to stop the steam from escaping. Typically, I'll steam my face till the steam lasts, which is about 7 to 10 minutes. And then I start to slowly rub my face or exfoliate my face while I have the mask on. And you'll see that the mask starts to come off or fall off very easily. And then I will go ahead and rinse my face. Again, I'm not using any soap. I'm just using water to rinse it off. And my face feels super fresh. But again, you can see that light yellow tinge on my face from the turmeric, but you don't have to worry about it. The next time you wash your face with a cleanser, that should come off very easily. Now it's time for those strokes to massage your face. To easily do the massage strokes, you'll need a massage cream. Now, I use aloe vera gel, which is universal, suits every skin type. If you don't have this, you can use aloe vera itself. If you don't have that, you can use your regular moisturizer that you use on a daily basis, or you can also use yogurt or curds. The first step is to apply it on your face and neck, and while you massage, if you feel like you need a little bit more, you can always add more. For strokes, just remember one simple formula. Always go in the upward direction, and in the T-zone, go in the outward direction. Please pay extra attention to the strokes. I'm going to start with my neck and work my way upwards. While you do your massage, try to keep your eyes closed. I usually do, but now because I'm on camera, I just want to make sure I'm in frame. That's why I have my eyes open. And usually when I do the massage on myself, I have some very light, mild meditation music on that relaxes the entire body. In this first phase of massage, because you're just spreading the cream out, make sure to use light and gentle strokes. For the next phase, I'm going to be focusing on the deeper muscle tissues, and this is called petrissage, where I'm going to be using more pressure. There's going to be kneading, there's going to be pinching, there's going to be squeezing and more compression. I'm going to start with the center of the forehead because that is where the focus is. Using 2 fingers, I'm going to apply pressure, then slowly move upwards and then massage my forehead in a zigzag pattern. Again, please pay attention to the strokes. Some of these strokes also naturally add that contour to your face over time, so it's more like yoga or exercise to your face. Facials can not only be relaxing, but over time they can contour and lift your face as well. Again, remember, if you feel dry, if you feel like your skin is getting dragged, make sure to apply a little bit more cream or moisturizer, whatever you're using for the massage. After you're done with the massage, make sure to drain all those toxins out through your lymph nodes, which are located below your neck. The last step in the process is to slowly tap your face while you massage your face to promote blood circulation. And make sure to rinse everything that's remaining on your face because they also carry toxins after the massage. And the final step is to hydrate your face and lips by using a moisturizer and a lip balm. That's pretty much it. Your face and body feels so relaxed, your skin feels amazing, and you feel beautiful inside out. Like I said, this is very simple. You can do it with what you have at home and you can save yourself some big bucks. If you plan to try this, please don't forget to tag me on social media. All my socials are listed down below in the description box. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.